Hello friends, this is Neena and my friend Swati.
Hello.
We are from BGM Karamal Academy, Chandrapur, Maharashtra. We have an interesting project, that is hydroponic farming related to sustainable development. We all are well acquainted with the term sustainable development. Sustainable development means development must take place, but it should not damage the environment. And at the same time, we must preserve something for the future generation. Now let's see what is our project. Our project is hydroponic farming. Hydroponic farming means growing plants without using soil. So let's see the ingredients. The ingredients are fenugreek seeds, water, wet cloth, vessel and vegetable basket. Now let's see the demo, and we have selected fenugreek seeds, that is methi seeds. Let's see how easy to grow fenugreek leaf at home. First of all, wash the fenugreek seeds with fresh water. Soak the seeds overnight. After 12 hours of soaking, wash again with fresh water. Cover the seeds with wet cloth and keep it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, see the sprouted fenugreek seeds. Now take a vegetable basket and spread the sprouted fenugreek seeds. Make sure that sprouts are not overlapped. Then take a vessel with some water and place this vegetable basket on the vessel such a way that the seeds are completely soaked in water. Remember, if the water does not touch the seeds will be dry. After 3 days, shoots and roots start growing. Change the water every day. Now after 10 days, you will get the fenugreek leaves or methi leaves. In this way, you can easily grow fenugreek or methi leaves in water without soil. Remember, very important thing, change the water daily. Do you know, Swati, what are the health benefits of having fenugreek leaves? It has low calorie, it has strong antioxidant, it helps to reduce cholesterol level, and it prevents anemia. Thank you.